Nature's architects are full of surprises, and nowhere is this more evident than in the diverse, strange, and brilliant nests animals build across the world. From cliffside burrows to underwater circles and towering termite mounds, animals use their environment in fascinating ways. Here are the top 10 most amazing animal nests found in the wild. Number 10. European bee-eaters. European bee-eaters dig nesting tunnels deep into sandy cliff faces rather than build traditional twig nests. These tunnels can stretch over 3 feet and end in a cozy chamber for their eggs. Found in large colonies, these birds often turn entire cliffs into honeycombed communities. Nesting high in cliffs offers excellent protection from ground-based predators and harsh weather, making this an effective and unusual nesting strategy. Number 9. Weaver ants. Found in tropical Asia and Africa, weaver ants build elaborate nests by stitching living leaves together. Working as a team, they form chains with their bodies to pull leaves into place, and then use silk produced by their larvae to glue them shut. The result is a waterproof, multi-leaf nest that's suspended high in trees. These nests are not only durable but continuously maintained, expanding and shifting as needed by the colony. Number 8. Bees. Bees construct hives that are both efficient and resilient. Using beeswax secreted from their own bodies, they create perfect hexagonal cells that maximize space and strength. These honeycombs are used to store food and raise young, with every part of the hive playing a vital role in colony life. To seal and reinforce the structure, bees use propolis, a resin-like substance. Their nests, often hidden in tree cavities or human-made boxes, are engineering marvels of precision and purpose. 7. Pufferfish. In the coastal waters of Japan, male pufferfish create breathtaking circular patterns in the seabed to attract mates. These symmetrical structures can reach up to 6 feet in diameter and are crafted using only the fish's fins. The central zone is lined with soft sand to protect the eggs and slow water currents, helping to preserve them. These underwater sand mandalas are both functional and visually striking, showing off one of the most unique courtship strategies in nature. Number 6. The world's largest nest. The record for the largest bird nest goes to a pair of bald eagles in Florida, whose nest measured nearly 10 feet wide, 20 feet deep, and weighed over 2 tons. While eagle nests are typically found high in trees, ground-dwelling birds like Australia's marleyfowl construct massive compost mounds to incubate their eggs. These mounds can be up to 30 feet wide and use decaying vegetation to naturally generate heat, making them self-regulating incubators. Number 5. Fig wasps. Fig wasps have one of the most unusual nesting strategies in the animal world. Each species of fig tree relies on its own fig wasp for pollination. The female wasp enters the fig through a tiny opening, often losing her wings in the process. If she enters a male fig, she lays her eggs inside, where they develop safely. When she mistakenly enters a female fig, she cannot lay eggs and dies inside, but she pollinates the fig in the process. This bizarre symbiosis turns the fig itself into a temporary nest and a vital reproductive partner. Number 4. Cathedral termites. Cathedral termites in Australia build towering mounds up to 20 feet high. Constructed from mud, saliva, and digested wood, these mounds are full of air channels and passageways that regulate temperature and humidity. Despite the hot environment, the interior remains cool and livable for the colony. The outer surface is reinforced to protect against intruders, while the inner chambers are arranged with incredible organization. Some of these termite mounds have stood for over a century. Number 3. Weaver birds. Weaver birds are known for their intricately woven nests that hang from tree branches like ornaments. Using grass, leaves, and twigs, males create teardrop-shaped nests to impress potential mates. The craftsmanship is impressive, woven tightly and strategically with a tubular entrance that keeps predators out. Once a female accepts a nest, she lays her eggs inside, and the male often builds additional nests for future mates. It's both functional and artistic. Number 2. Paper wasps. Paper wasps build their umbrella-shaped nests by chewing wood fibers and mixing it with saliva to create a papery pulp. These nests often appear under eaves, branches, or rock ledges. They're composed of open hexagonal cells arranged in a circular pattern. The queen lays an egg in each cell, which develops into a larva and then a new wasp. Though they may seem like pests to humans, their nests are efficient and beautifully designed, reflecting order and communal structure. Number 1. Beavers. Beavers are perhaps the most famous animal architects. They create dams across streams to form ponds, where they then build lodges out of sticks and mud. These lodges feature underwater entrances to keep predators out and central chambers that stay warm during cold winters. Inside, beavers raise their young and store food. Their construction transforms ecosystems, creating habitat for many other species. Beavers don't just build nests, they reshape landscapes. And that does it. Comment your favorite nest, subscribe, and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. See you on the next one.